Hi everyone, welcome today in the daily newspaper on a Thursday, July the 9th, 2020. We have only one regular Sudoku. In this case, a medium Sudoku. There is also in this newspaper an additional with extra Sudokus, 5 Sudokus. But I will solve first this regular Sudoku. And this regular Sudoku, before I start, I want to count all the numbers, printed numbers, digits, so there's some kind of indication the difficulty level, about the difficulty level. So we have here 4 digits: 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, plus 3 is 12, plus 4 is 16, plus 4 is 20, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 26 printed numbers. If you compare with the extra Sudokus with the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, 4 stars, the 1 star has 27, the 2 stars 26. So this is a 2-star Sudoku. You cannot always tell the difficulty level, because sometimes a 1 star is very hard or difficult. It depends also on the how many pairs there are. So you cannot tell about the difficulty. Normally, the less numbers, the difficulty level will be higher. Alright, so let's get started. We have here in this middle row 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is a 4. We see here 4 in this big square, so no 4 in these 3 boxes. We see here 4, no 4 in that box. So 2 boxes left. The 4 could be here or could be there. We see here 4, no 4 there. 4 should be there. 4 in this column, 4 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places for the 4 should be here or there. We see here 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here. Then in this big square, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 4. We see here 4, no 4 in these 3 boxes. Therefore, no 4 in those 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 4 should be there. 4 in this first column, 4 in the second column. So in the third column, the only 2 places for the 4 should be here or there. We see here 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here. 4 in this row, 4 in the middle row. So in the row below, the only place for the 4 should be here. 4 in the first row, 4 in the second row. So in the third row, the only 3 places for the 4 should be here, here or there. We see here 4, no 4 there. Here 4, no 4 there. The only place for the 4 should be there. And all the 4s are used, I can see. Yes, alright. Alright. And now, let me see which number is best to use. How about the number 3? 3 in this row. 3 in the middle row, so in the row above, the only 2 places for the 3 should be here or there. We see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be there. Then I cannot continue with the 3, I see. Yeah. I will leave this, come back later. How about the 9? 9 in this column. 9 in the last column, so in the column between, the only place for the 9 should be there. 9 in this column, 9 in that column, so in the middle column, the only 2 places for the 9 should be here or there. We see here 9, no 9 there. 9 should be here. 9 in this row, 9 in the last row, so in the row between, the only place for the 9 should be there. Then I cannot continue with the 9, but how about these 2 numbers? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing and the 7 is missing. I cannot fill this yet, need to wait. Need to wait. How about the 6 in the last column? 6 in the column next. So in that column, the only place for the 6 should be there. 6 in the third column, 6 in the first column. So in the second column, the column between, the only 2 places for the 6 should be here or there. We see here 6, no 6 there, 6 should be here. Then I cannot continue with the 6. Well. In this column, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 6. We see here 6, no 6 there. Here 6, no 6 there. Here 6, no 6 there. There 6, no 6 there. So 1 place left for the 6 should be here. Then I cannot continue with the 6. How about the number? Number 8. 8 in this column, 8 in the third column. So in the second column, the only place for the 8 should be there. Then how about the number in this column? 4 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 5. We see here 5 in this big square. So no 5 in these 3 boxes. 1 box left for the 5 should be there. These 3 numbers are the numbers 1, 7, and 8. I cannot fill this yet. 1, 7, and 8. That means the other 2 numbers are 1, 7, 8. The 2 and the 3. The 2 and the 3 are left. We see here 2. No 2 there. 2 should be here and the 3 goes there. Then 2 in the last column. 2 in that column. So in the column between, the only 2 places for the 2 should be here or there. We see here 2. No 2 there. 2 should be here. Then 7, 5, 8. Yes, 3 missing numbers in this big square. These 3 numbers are the 5, the 7, and the 8. And look, we have a 7 here, so no 7 there. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. So 1 digit left should be the number 8. Here we have the 7 and the 5, 7 and the 5. That means in the last column we have 1 box left, 7 and a 5. This box should be the number 8. The 8 is here missing. Alright. So we have an 8 in this row, an 8 in the row below. So in the last row, the only place for the 8 should be there. Then I cannot continue with the 8. How about 7, 5, 7, 8. Alright. Let me think. 2 numbers left in this first column. Those numbers are the 5 and the 7. We see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here and the 7 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square. For the numbers 1 and 9. We see here 9, no 9 there. 9 should be here and the 1 goes there. Then 2 numbers left in this row for the numbers 7 and 8. 7 and 8 are missing. We see here 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here and the 8 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 7 and 1. We have a 7 there, so no 7 there. 7 should be here and the 1 goes there. 1 number left in the middle row for the number 1. Then 9 in this row, 9 in the second row. So in the row above, the only 2 places for the 9 should be here or there. We see here 9, no 9 there. 9 should be there. And all the 9s are used. I can see. Yes, alright. Then yeah. And then we have 7, 8, and a 1. Alright. 7 in this column, 7 in that column. So in the middle column, the only place for the 7 should be there. 2, 6, and 6 and 3. Yeah, we have 3 missing numbers in the middle column. What are those numbers? The 2, the 3, and the number 6. We see here a 3, or there 3, so no 3 there. Here also a 3, so no 3 there. The only place for the 3 should be there. The 2 and the 6 are left. We see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here and the 6 goes there. 1 number left in this big square for the number 6. Then and the 2. 2. Yes. How about the number? I need a pair, otherwise it's hard to solve. 7, 5, and 3. 3 missing numbers in this big square. The numbers are the 3, the 5, and the 7. We have a 3 here, so no 3 there. Here 3, no 3 there. 1 place left for the 3 should be there. 7 and 5 are missing in this big square. We have a 5 here, so no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 7 goes there. 7 in this row, 7 in the second row, so in the first row, the only place for the 7 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 1 and 8. We see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and 8 goes there. 8 in this row, 8 in that row. So in the row between, the only place for the 8 should be there. And all the 8's are used, I can see. Yes, alright. Then which number? How about the number in the 2 numbers in the first row? Those 2 numbers are the numbers 3 and 1. 3 and 1. We see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and 1 goes there. 1 in this column, 1 in the middle column. So in the column next, the only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. We see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here. 2 numbers left in this big square. For the numbers 2 and 5, we see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 5 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 5 and 2. 5 and 2, we see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 5 goes there. 2 numbers left in this row for the numbers 7 and 5. 5 or 7. 7 we have here, so no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 1 number left in this big square for the number 5, and the final 2 numbers of this big square for the numbers 7 and 1. 7 and 1, we have a 1 here, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 7 goes there. Finish in 17 minutes. Oh, right. Great Sudoku. Great Sudoku. I like this. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And don't forget to subscribe. Only if you like or if you want. And hit that bell button if you want to be notified by YouTube when I upload a new Sudokus to my channel. Thank you again. I will see you later with the additionals, with extra Sudokus. So take care, stay healthy, and keep on puzzling. Bye bye.